Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Muhammad speaking from the Al-Khair Foundation Blackburn office. On behalf of my team, I'd like to extend an invitation to all the residents in and around the Blackburn area to come and visit the office to help us assist you in completing your Qurbani obligations. Together, inshallah, we can provide a blessed Eid to over 1 million people around the globe. We're open 7 days a week, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Al-Khair Foundation, number 1 Blackburn Street, Blackburn, BB1 7NG. For further inquiries, please feel free to call us on 01254 672 527, or you can email us at blackburn@alkhair.org. Jazakumullahu khairan, ahsanal jaza.